Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you I can install Netflix application on Amazon tablet. So in the first step we have to open the web browser, then look for the Netflix APK. There we have an APK Pure site. Remember this is unofficial source, so you're making it at your own risk. Now just tap on the download APK and you can choose the web browser or APK Pure app if you have it installed. I have, so I'm gonna choose the APK Pure. And whole process starting automatically. You can tap on the install. And that's it, this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.